Hey, I'm Jason Glover with Dad's That Cook. You know what? I've been cooking, I've been creating, I've been making dishes all of my life. I've been working with my mom, my grandmother, and I'm still learning, and I'm still trying to figure it out. I'm going around the country, I'm looking for dads who know how to cook.
Real quick description, we're just gonna do some Polynesian style short ribs. I've got a mac nut fried rice.
I don't want to sit and read a recipe. I want to learn hands-on from some dude that's been working it for his kids and his wife, out cooking every night for your family, making awesome meals. You're the ones I want to meet. So why don't you join us on Dad's That Cook? We're going to make this happen. It's going to be a fun adventure, and I can't wait to hang out with you.
This is who I like to cook for. This is my family.
Your family.
That's it.
You didn't rent them for the night, did you?
I'm not a professionally trained chef.
Let's start over.
All of us dads are the same. We want to find the easiest way possible to be the best that we can. And how do we cheat it? We find other dads that make awesome recipes. Teach me some things.
This dad is going to show you how to make some pho today.
We are going to be making probably one of my favorite sandwiches on the menu, our mojo cubano.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of the rub on both sides, and I'm gonna rub it in.
Got some marinated chicken, Asian inspired.
So my job now, find these dads that make awesome meals. I'm gonna learn from those dads. I'm gonna bring those meals back home to my family. I tell you, that's what brings us together. I want that Leave It to Beaver, that Brady Bunch feeling. You know, I grew up in that era where we all sat down at the table.
We did it! High five, Avery. Give Jason a high five.